Have you seen beautiful handmade quilts and thought, I wish I could make that? Have you ever dreamed of making quilts that could be passed down from generation to generation? Maybe fear holds you back from taking on such intricate projects. Believe it or not, after years of sewing clothing, I too was afraid to jump into the quilting world. In college, I studied clothing construction and pattern design, which gave me a special expertise to design and sew some very difficult dresses. But quilting looked so intricate and overwhelming, and I didn't really know where to start. However, once I took a deep dive into quilting, I became obsessed. I wanted to know everything about it. So I read, I practiced, and I learned as much as I possibly could. And you know what? Now quilting is a special part of my life that I cannot imagine living without. It's really amazing having the ability to just take those tiny scraps of fabric and turn them into something beautiful that is going to be treasured for forever. Allow me to introduce myself. I'm Kim from the blog Sweet Red Poppy. When I started my blog, it was a place for me to explore sewing patterns. It was somewhere where I was working to improve my skills and to share my love for crafting while teaching others. I received hundreds of requests from my readers, and I decided to create the Quilting Workshop with the goal of making quilting accessible to everyone, regardless of their experience level. This complete course is going to guide you through understanding quilting patterns, fabrics, batting, and thread. It covers cutting, piecing, techniques, sashing, quilting binding, and so much more. But most importantly, it's going to boost your confidence to take on any quilting project. We'll kick off by creating 6 popular quilt squares. We'll start with the 9-patch block. We'll move on to the pinwheel. We'll cover the rail fence, the flying geese, one of my favorites, the star, and we'll also cover the bear paw. We will cover everything you need to complete an entire quilt, starting from selecting your fabric to cutting your pieces, piecing them together, pressing, quilting, and finally binding. By the end of the first tier in this course, you are going to create a stunning quilt. As we progress on to the artisan level, I'm going to teach you how to make a beautiful quilted pot holder. You will also learn how to applique 3 different ways, and we will be making a charming throw pillow, as well as this beautiful table runner. We're also going to be learning the quilt as you go method, which is so neat, and I'm so excited to show you just how cool it is. And when we finally reach the diva level, we will be making another quilt and diving into the epitome of coolness, which is a t-shirt quilt. These unique quilts transform cherished shirts into personalized masterpieces, each of which tell their own story and offer a warm hug of special memories. Now, this course is all about making it work for you. So I want you to take it easy, go at your own pace, and enjoy the creative process. You can access the content wherever you want. You can re-watch those videos, or you can grab and print off the printables and the ebook whenever you need them. Plus, here's a neat fact, you have lifetime access to everything that's in this course. And here's the very best part. If I decide to add in some extra lessons, just think of it as like a nice little bonus. This course is lively and it's full of possibilities, so you might just discover some extra awesome skills along the way. Now, as someone who loves the creative process, I am thrilled to share my love for quilting with you. The Quilting Workshop isn't just a course, it's my way of making quilting this enjoyable adventure for you. And quilting is all about embracing your creativity and crafting unique pieces of art that reflect your own individuality. I truly cannot wait to dive into this quilting journey together and see the incredible creations that you're going to piece to life.